How many of you have detoxed before? How many of you have gone through a real detox in the past? By the end of this week, we're praying that you would have the ammunition, all the information that you need, so that as you take a look at yourself now and have a projection of where you want to be physically, and that you will be able to use the information that you will get from us so that you can start cleaning up your bodies. I remember a friend of mine, he had a wonderful car, a BMW. And the way he took care of that car, I always asked myself, if only he can take care of his body the way he's taking care of this car. Because he would just wash the car, go out on the street. By the time he came back, he would be washing the car again because he did not want not even a speck of dust to be seen on this car. And how many of us take care of our bodies the way we take care of things? For many of us, we probably have never even detoxed the body before. But we are going to look at why it is important for you to detox today. How often should you be detoxing? Whether you should be doing it on a weekly, a monthly, or a yearly basis. Or perhaps every winter, spring, summer, and fall. But you need to try and get this into your routine on a regular basis. So when we talk of detox, the first thing that comes to mind for most people is, oh, I'm going to be starving. I'm not going to be able to eat what I want to eat. I'm going to be there's so many complaints. But by the end of this lecture and the rest of the lectures this week, you're going to find out how important it is to keep every part of your body working at its optimum. And if you can do that, I can guarantee you that sickness will not occur in your body the way it is pervading the whole world today. Every time you look around, someone is sick for whatever reason it is. An intelligently designed detox helps to get rid of not just unwanted pounds. This is a good chance for you to heal your body on every level. For most people who detox, they might be saying, oh, I just want to lose some weight, so that's the target. We're going to target weight. But there's so much more to detoxing. You will be enlightened as to how much you can get your body up to par just by making some simple changes. It's not going to cost you a lot of money to do this. It's going to be quite simple. So this is going to give your body a wonderful chance to heal. So yes, you may drop some pounds, but you also find that just because you're detoxing, you will find that now you're able to sleep better. For many of you, sleeping might be a problem. You might find that you have low energy. Well, guess what? By detoxing the body, your energy level is going to arise. You would have mood improvement. Chronic problems like your pain, joint pain, digestive problems, and all of these other things that we spoke about, even acne and psoriasis, these things will get better or even disappear entirely. Even your libido will improve. And I know that would be a great thing for many of you. So, just as your car requires regular maintenance in the form of routine oil change, new tires, fresh coolant, and a thorough washing and detailing from time to time, so is regular body detoxification a necessity for optimum health.